Item number 10, Council Engagements, November 2015. Tina.
There's only one additional one in there, and that's on the 3rd. So it's a Waikato Regional Council workshop regarding bus fare from 1 till 2.
On the 3rd of November. Yep. Also, we're looking for some councillors to go Health and Safety Act.
A lot of you have sent me your names, but I just wanted this to be able to confirm who was actually going to come. So if I could just have those, that would be great.
Councillor
I
Jollins.
think, Your Worship, Mrs. Jakes told us we were going.
I note that.
Councillor Jollins, Councillor Boddy, Councillor Park, Councillor Stewart, Councillor Harvey.
Wonderful.
All right, so we add that in, Shane? All right. Okay, thank you, Tina. A recommended resolution there. Could I have a mover, please, for that? Thank you, Councillor Park, seconded by Councillor Cousins. All those in favour, please say aye.
Aye.
Against? Carried.